And that's the main thing. And that's my mindset, is just to um take profits. And that's what I've been doing with my LPs. I'm just putting it in stable coin yields,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
if there's an opportunity, just like go, I mean, go get it. I mean, when it crashed, you have your capital right
100%.
there. And if there's an opportunity for another LP, might as well build it. And
There
you've
always
made
is an
that,
opportunity, dude.
you that idea was just genius right there.
So cool.
I'm trying to weave that into my finances
Sweet.
and with DeFi, and it's really working. And the mindset of income greater than expenses. If you can
Yes.
master that, that's financial freedom. It's not
Yep.
about capital, because capital, it's there, it drains. If you don't have the cash flow,
Yep.
then
You're dunsies.
it's not
Then
helping
you
you.
have to go back to um, begging for it, which is typically the term of a job or self-employment, which is nothing wrong with it. But I just don't
Yeah,
want to be purely dependent on it.
the mindset, have that business mindset, being organized. You have to organize, because you're dealing with different protocols, different chains. You really need to track it down. And the materials, the spreadsheet that you provide, it's really, really good.
Good.
So I mean, being able to track, have an open mind, be able to absorb whatever knowledge and practice it. And don't be scared to fail, because you have to navigate your way back up.
So
And
good.
patience.
That's the one I lack sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. I am not a
I,
patient
I
man.
I'm the same thing. So the process, just going through the process, will help
Yeah.
mitigate that. I think it's more in a progression stage where I'm understanding how everything works in the crypto market,
Yeah.
and how important TA, how important treating your crypto portfolio, whether it's your bull run portfolio or your DeFi portfolio, treat it as a business. I didn't have that. I didn't have that business background. I have the technical background, but not the business
So
background.
good.
And I think with the ideas and the I guess the steps and the methodology that you've put in place, is just so easy to follow, and it's more organized, and it gives anyone like the foundational knowledge, any level, anyone that enters the community and is like, has no knowledge of what crypto is. The educational piece is just really good.
So good.
I love this community, the UIG community. I'm glad I made the right decision to join, because I've been into DeFi off and on. Tell you the truth,
Yeah, it's a love-hate relationship until you really get it. I went
yes,
through that.
yes.
Lose some, make some, lose some, make some. Is this worth it? What is this? Blah, blah, blah.
I think like what you said with church, because I attend a church, a really good community, and like what you said, with this community, everybody has different levels, and everybody has their own pace. And I'm at one level. Someone that just joined might be something like a total newbie.
Yep.
But the thing that really gets everyone is that it the community encourages everyone to stay at their own pace and cater to each other and be there for each other. And that's
Means a
what
lot.
I feel that this community has. So going through each quest, it's just, even regardless of what I make, because I actually made like about 20 on my first quest. That was like before I joined, it was higher. But then when everything kind of settled down after the ETF,
Yep. The
everything got
real yields
lower.
happened. Yep.
And hey, I'm still making money continuously.
Yep.
And I think going through each quest, I learned all these nuances on how to run LPs, the mindset.
Yes.
And I just want to go through the process. It's the process that's important, not to the journey. Like, yeah, sure, I made 100. Can I sustain that? So
Yes.
that's the thing about the quest. How do you navigate through these instances where, hey, you're making $50 a day and then all of a sudden you make 20? What's
Yes.
going on? And what if your LPs are out of range? How do you go about um navigating your way back in?
Yep.
And what opportunities are there that that is promising, that you know that it's not a rug pull,
Yep.
and getting into platforms that are tried and true, like Uniswap,
Yep.
Orca,
Yep.
Turbos. I love Turbos.
Me too. Big fan.
It's,
That thing makes
yeah,
me a
it's
lot of
just
money.
my big money maker, basically.
Yeah.
So that's the reason why I go through these quests, regardless
And
of how much I make. If I made $50 already and I'm in quest 3, hey, I'm still in quest 3. I
yes.
just wanna go through these skills and these these I guess these the process
Yep.
of progressing.
We need if everyone could just be like you. So everyone that I talk to on these calls, they almost all
Uh-huh.
say the same thing is I love the
Yes.
process. I'm not rushing. I'm
Yes.
treating it like a business and I understand that like if you looked at your business P&L every single day, you would go insane because you've got different days, but we're looking monthly. So like Quest 3, I get mixed up here. Quest 4 is what, 1500 a month? Quest 5 is 3000 a month?
Something like that.
Something around there. And I
Yeah.
find when people start getting into that $1000 a month or 1500 a month, they have enough positions where they actually start seeing fluctuations in the daily. Like the fluctuation isn't cents, it's starting to become
Yes.
dollars, tens, or hundreds of dollars. And so if they don't adopt that mindset, they quickly let the fear take over. They exit their positions and they kind of are just afraid. But with scale comes more volatility.